Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to Dr. Puan Fazian binti Hashim and to all my fellow friends. Today we are from Group 3. We will present about Internet of Things IOT in construction industry. Before we start, let me introduce our group members. My name is Azri Hakim bin Azira and my friend Muhammad Syahrul Nizam bin Zulkifli, Alif Ashraf bin Ashad, Muhammad Syahid bin Erli Nizam, Adib bin Asra, Tuan Muhammad Luqman Hakim bin Tuan Muhammad, and Muhammad bin Sadiq Haji American. Before I start our presentation, I will tell you guys about what we will talk about. Firstly, we will talk about introduction, and next, problem statement, objective, literature review, discussion, analysis, characteristic, example of company, challenges, suggestion, and lastly, conclusion. Okay, for the first content in our presentation, I would like to present about introduction. What is IoT? IoT is a machine that equipment that connect with one and another through the internet are referred to as Internet of Things, which is IoT objects. It refers to any equipment with a digital pulse that enables a communication with the outside world. With the use of IoT, that will be a different in construction industry. For example, sensors are connected to the internet are very helpful for construction process nowadays.
Assalamualaikum to Doctor. So we continue about problem statement. Okay, problem statement number 1 is using traditional construction methods. The construction sector must overcome several obstacles. These difficulties include how productivity, expensive labor, and inefficient construction method. Traditional building technique often cause delays, rework, and more material waste, increasing project cost and lengthening the construction process. The number 2 is inefficient monitoring and supervision of construction site. Effective monitoring and supervision of operation or construction site is often difficult, leading to delays, safety risks, and higher costs. To ensure real-time visibility and comprehensive surveillance, traditional approach of on-site supervision, manual inspection, and limited surveillance technology have proven insufficient. Construction project may face problems including poor quality, disagreed for safety guidelines, and inefficient resources management. Number 3 is inefficient attendance tracking of worker in construction site and offices. Currently, taking attendance of worker and construction site in the office is highly inefficient and prone to error. Traditional paper based on manual attendance recording method are time consuming, resources intensive, and inaccurate. This difficultly result in several issues, including number 1 is attendance record that are accurate, and number 2 is waste time and effort. So the lastly is inefficient project management and lack of real-time visibility, resulting in delays, cost of overrun, and less than ideal outcomes. The difficulties are due to a number of things, including manual data collection, poor communication, inefficient teamwork, and problems monitoring project progress.
As we go through objective part for our research, the first one is to identify the Internet of Things that used in construction company aligned with the 4.0 industrial revolution. Second is to identify companies that are not using IoT in any section of their working environment. Third is discussing the problem faced by company that are not using IoT to manage the problem they are facing in the modern era. The last one is suggesting the way this company can have a better work quality performance by using IoT that are discussed in the report. Thank you.
Okay, literature review. Okay, first attendant. A biometric recognition system called IRIS is intelligent recognition integrated system. Technology uses a person's unique pattern to identify authenticate them. Okay, second item check is quick response. Is donated by the letter QR in a QR code. With proper tools like a smartphone camera or an app, it can be viewed and scanned as a two-dimensional metric barcode. Okay, the last monitoring. Okay, drone stand for dynamic remotely operated navigation equipment. It refers to any unpiloted aircraft. Maybe not any of us know that it is also known as a UAV or unmanned aerial vehicle. In terms of technology, a drone is an unmanned aircraft. Okay, unmanned aerial system or unmanned aerial vehicles are the official name for drone.
And for discussion, IoT sensors can be used in building sites to monitor a variety of characteristics, including temperature, humidity, air quality, vibration, and noise levels. Construction equipment that is connected to the internet allows for automated data collecting, remote monitoring, and real-time tracking. Automated inventories management, construction materials and inventories can be tracked and managed using IoT technology. IoT-enabled wearable technology can increase efficiency and safety on construction sites. Building automation and energy management are two areas where IoT may help. HVAC, which is heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, lighting, security, and energy management are some of the systems that can be integrated and controlled.
Okay, the next part is analysis. Okay, first one is the IoT has emerged as a game-changing technology that is revolutionizing numerous industries and providing business with unheard of prospects. The IoT is a network of linked gadgets and items that gather and exchange data online. Okay, for second, the ability of the Internet of Things to gather enormous volumes of real-time data is one of its main benefits for organizations. Sensors and connected devices can collect data from a variety of sources, including supply chains, production processes, customers' interactions, and environmental factors. Okay, for third, business may streamline their processes and increase their levels of efficiency thanks to the Internet of Things. Business can monitor and manage different parts of their operations in real time thanks to linked device and automation. IoT enables smart grids, for instance, can optimize energy use while lowering cost and environmental effects. Last but not least, IoT significantly alter the client experience by enabling companies to offer individualized and relevant service. IoT device, for instance, can be used in the retail industry to monitor client behavior, preference, and purchasing trends. Personalized recommendations, promotions, and shopping experience can be provided using this data script. The next is a characteristic. Okay, the first is a data analytic. Constructions organization using IoT evaluate and analyze the enormous amount of data gathered by sensor and other connected device using data analytics. Second is remote monitoring and control. IoT technology allows for the remote monitoring and management of system, machinery and equipment in the constructions industry. The third is improvements in safety and security. IoT devices are essential for improving safety and security on building sites. Number 4 is asset and tracking and management. Within the help of IoT-based asset tracking system, construction business can keep tabs on whereabouts, state, and usage of their tools and equipment.
So next, we go to challenge company construction to use IoT. Have a three challenge. The number one is limited real-time monitoring. IoT makes it possible to monitor construction sites, machinery, and personnel in real time. Number two is ineffective resources management. The Internet of Things IoT can assist a construction organization in optimizing the allocation and utilization of resources like materials, equipment, and labor. And the last one is a limited scalability and future readiness. IoT is anticipated to play an even bigger role as the construction sector develops. Yeah, now we go to suggestion. They have 4 suggestions. Number one is using IoT in the industry to make IBS walls. Okay, process simplification in manufacturing. IoT technology have made a significant advance to productivity and quality control in the production of IBS walls. IoT sensors that are integrated into manufacturing machinery may gather real-time data, track variables, and improve processes. Number two suggestion is using drones to supervise the construction sites. The use of drone in construction site surveying has expedited ground survey processes. Tedious ground survey is now easier, providing ground as well as overview image detailing. The use of drones in project and site monitoring offers numerous advantage in construction application. Example, site mapping, inspection, reporting, client updates, and project monitoring. Number three is suggestion number 3 is RFID in taking attendance of workers in construction sites and in the office. Okay, RFID is being used actively in retail, healthcare, and other sectors to monitor workers. Since the workers in this sector are large in number, hard to handle, and their work can be performed by others in case of absenteeism, the attendance mechanism is too trivial significance. RFID card-based time attendance system was an abstract concept that craved part to biometric fingerprint system. And the last suggestion is IoT in managing project. Okay, the Internet of Things, IoT has evolved as a potent technology that is a revolution how we manage a project in today's linked environment. The IoT is a new network of physical objects, including computer, mobile phone, applications, and other items that are equipped with connectivity, software, and sensor to collect and exchange data. Organization may increase efficiency, optimize resource allocation, enhance decision making, and guarantee better overall project outcomes by integrating IoT into project management.
For the conclusion, the construction sector has been significantly impacted by the Internet of Things, which has revolutionized a number of construction-related processes. The ability to gather and analyze real-time data from multiple sensors and devices is one of the main advantages of IoT in construction. IoT gadgets are essential for improving safety on building sites. Other than that, IoT facilitates better project management through improved communication and coordination among project stakeholders. And lastly, asset management made possible by IoT has also benefited the construction sector.
That's all from us. Thank you for listening and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.